Hello friends, today in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows was unable to load the registry error on Windows 10 or 11. So guys, to resolve this issue, firstly click on Start. Now here type CMD. Right click on Command Prompt and run as administrator. Now here guys, type SFC /scan now. So type this command line and press enter. Now wait till this process will complete, and once this scanning will complete, restart your PC. Hopefully this method will work, and in case still you are facing error, so you can try second method. Open File Explorer and right click on your local disk, then click on Properties. Now here guys, click on Tools, then Error Checking, click on Check. Now here click on Scan Drive. You can keep using the drive during the scan. If errors are found, you can decide if you want to fix them. So select it. Now wait till this scanning will be complete. And guys, it will take a couple of minutes. Now guys, you will see your drive was successfully scanned. Close it and click on OK. Now restart your PC or laptop, and after restart, hopefully guys, you can fix and resolve. Windows was unable to load the registry error on Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.